This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Before proceeding, check that the handbrake is fully applied. Chock the rear wheels. Remove the front wheel trims and slacken the wheel bolts. Raise the front of the vehicle using a jack. Support it on axle stands. Lower the vehicle onto the axle stands. And remove the jack. The front wheels can now be removed from the vehicle. With the right hand front wheel removed, undo the fasteners and remove the wheel arch liner from under the right hand wheel arch to expose the crankshaft pulley. Working from within the wheel arch and using a spanner on the centre bolt, rotate the tensioner pulley clockwise and slacken the belt. If desired, lock the tensioner in this position using a 4mm drill bit or rod inserted through the hole in the tensioner. Manoeuvre the belt from the pulleys and remove it. Begin refitting by placing the belt on the pulleys, ensuring it's correctly located in the grooves of the pulleys. This will be much easier if the tensioner is locked in position. With the belt fitted, hold the tensioner in place with the spanner, remove the locking drill bit and slowly allow the tensioner pulley to rotate anti-clockwise and act against the belt. The belt is automatically tensioned by the spring-loaded tensioner. Refit the wheel arch liner and secure it in position by reinstalling the fasteners. Refit the wheels and loosely tighten the bolts. Raise the vehicle using a jack. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. Torque the front wheel bolts and refit the wheel trims. The chocks can now be removed from the rear wheels.